Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can do the temp tower test in Bambu Studio. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to open up a blank project, and from here you then want to click on calibration. Inside this page, just click on the temp tower or temperature and it should go ahead and show up something like this. You then want to select your filament type, the starting temperature, and the end type. Basically what this means is that it will go ahead and print this tower to different or from different temperature, so you can then go ahead and see which temperature provides you with the best print results. So from there you can just click on the slice plate option, print this on your printer, and that's it. You can know the temperature, or you can know what temperature works best for your printer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.